Yo, here is why people don't make money with Nexus SNAP. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, Nexus SNAP is popping right now, right? More and more people are talking about this opportunity, and for good reason. All right, Nexus SNAP is a new network marketing opportunity in the cashback and savings industry. Nexus SNAP is all about showing people how to save and get money back every time they shop on or offline. As a Nexus SNAP premium member, you have the opportunity to actually make money by promoting Nexus SNAP. So I tell people, if you are interested in Nexus SNAP and the business opportunity, take some time to look at the compensation plan. All right, so when you click on that link in the description and you look at the video and everything, scroll down, look where it says the compensation plan. All right, like that right there should motivate you, right, to get started with this opportunity if you're interested in it. So here's the thing: when you look at people talk about Nexus SNAP or Nexus Rewards on YouTube, or even when you go on Facebook and you go on Facebook groups and everything, you see all these people talking about how great Nexus SNAP is, right? How they're making money. I even got videos showing payment proof, right? Nexus SNAP, oh, it's this and that, it's so cool, blah, blah, blah. But with that being said, there's people out there who are actually not making any money as a Nexus SNAP affiliate, right? And with my experience, right, talking to people who actually ask me questions about Nexus SNAP, I know why people aren't making money with Nexus SNAP. And it's very, very simple. The answer is they are over complicating things. All right. It's this simple. If you're to the point where you're like, oh, like this, I get the vision. I get it. Nexus SNAP is dope. I want to be a part of this. Right. And you join, you're going to get an affiliate link, right, that leads people to the Nexus SNAP sales page. This is the page where people can watch a video. You can click on my description. It's the same page. That's what you're going to get, right? So you go to it, you see the opportunity, and you can join as a free member, or you can join as a premium paid member and be an affiliate, right? You're going to have that link, right? You're going to have your own custom link. Your job is to share it with people. That's it. Promote that link, right? And I'll tell people, like, this opportunity has such mass appeal that this is one of the opportunities that, hey, share with your people on Facebook. Make a Facebook post, talking about it. Or private message people that you cool with, that you know, and let them know, hey, man, or girl, whatever, I just got involved with this new opportunity. Check it out. It can help you save money, blah, blah, blah. And you could even make money on the side. Whatever, right? Take that link and promote it. I know it might sound like common sense, but a lot of people, even in like Facebook groups, and people message me all the time, and they're like, yo, so what do I do? How do I promote it? And I'm just like, listen, there's tons of ways to promote this opportunity. You have to find the way that you feel comfortable with, that you can do on a regular basis. So if you are the type of person that, like YouTube, then start putting out YouTube videos, period. End of story. And put that affiliate link in the description of all your videos. Let it be known that that link is there, right? If you are a Facebook person, post about it. Like so many people, and then you tell somebody, all right, well, I like Facebook. All right, well, post. Well, I don't know how to post. What should I post? You gotta just put this shit out. And this is the problem. Like, people get involved with something, they get so hype on a program or opportunity, they sign up, they join, and then they're like a deer in headlights. They're like, oh shit, now what do I do? What you do is put that damn link out there. You have to ask yourself, like, how do you come across things, right? How do you come across the programs that you joined in the past, the programs that you bought or whatever? How did you come across it? Was it a Facebook post that you saw somebody make? Was it a YouTube video that you watched, right? That's where you first start. Then you have to ask yourself, okay, well, what can I do? Because a lot of people watch my videos and they join me in opportunities, but they're not a YouTuber. They're not into that. And that's perfectly fine. But all you need to do is find out what your YouTube is, right? Like, do you want to get business cards? I tell people all the time, you can get them little 4x6 flyers created and leave them in different places where people may see them. That's it. Because that's all you can do with these opportunities. I think sometimes people want it to be more complicated than it is. So if they don't be successful, they have an excuse. They can be like, oh, that shit, I didn't understand it. It was too complicated, right? People don't want to hear that it's all about just promoting your opportunity. That's it. Like, there is no special trick. Even the mind games and all that shit people teach, yeah, that's cool. But ultimately, you need to put your opportunity in front of as many people as you can. And the dope thing about Nexus SNAP is it appeals to the masses. Like, ask yourself, when you think about Facebook, when you think about coworkers, when you think about just your average person, who wouldn't want to save money? And then you ask yourself, who wouldn't want to make money? Ask yourself. You know what I'm saying? Just ask yourself, like, who, right? And if you can come up with people who don't want to save money or make money, it's not going to be that many people, right? So you have to understand that this opportunity, you can promote it in so many ways. The question is, are you going to promote it? That's the thing. That's what trips people up the most. You get all hyped, but they don't do shit. You have to do stuff. It sounds good in your head when you go to bed at night and be like, yo, I'm gonna get up tomorrow, man. I just joined Nexus SNAP, man. Oh my God, the compensation plan is crazy. Oh my God, I'm gonna get all these affiliates. You wake up, you know, you do your normal, whatever you do. Next thing you know, it's in the afternoon time. You ain't done shit related to Nexus SNAP. Now it's in the late afternoon. You ain't done nothing. Evening, you ain't done nothing. Next thing you know, it's time to go to bed. What do? You go to bed. Tomorrow's the day. Oh my God, man, I've been a member for like 2 days, but yeah, shit going down tomorrow. No, you have to have a strategy, right? I know it sucks. It's like, oh, I got to do shit. Yeah, if you really want to make money with this opportunity or any opportunity, you have to have some sort of strategy going into it. You have to, like, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, flyers, whatever, you have to have some idea what you're going to do to promote this. Right? Because as good as the compensation plan is, it's not going to mean anything if you don't take action, right? But Nexus SNAP gives us the opportunity to take action and actually make money with this opportunity. And I tell people all the time with this opportunity, like, yes, you can make money just by being a member. Just by using the service that you get as a Nexus SNAP member, you can be earning some extra cash every month. Right? So that in itself is like, do that. But if you actually take the time to promote this opportunity and treat it like a real business, the earning potential is crazy. So if you haven't joined Nexus SNAP yet and you are ready to take action and start building up that monthly income, click that first link in the description and I will see you on the team.